And now the details. Whooping cough cases are on the rise. Local doctors are urging parents to vaccinate their children as they head back to school. One mother whose child recently recovered from the infection is especially aware of the risks. New Jersey correspondent Trish Hartman spoke with her this afternoon. She's live in Mount Laurel tonight with her warning. Trish.
Well, Rick, during the pandemic, when there were so many restrictions in place, respiratory illnesses like the flu and whooping cough were way down. Now cases are back to pre-pandemic levels, and as many kids head back to school, doctors and parents want parents to be aware.
She started having persistent cough.
Juliette Osborne knows her daughter Emmani well. While she has multiple chronic conditions, the symptoms she started having in July were unusual.
Whooping cough at night. And I'm talking about cough from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. She stopped eating. She was extremely fatigued.
They ended up in the emergency room and were surprised when test results came back.
2 days later, almost close to midnight, I was shocked when I received the news that she had pertussis.
Pertussis, known to many as whooping cough. She says because Emmani is vaccinated, her symptoms were not severe, but she's not alone.
In August of 2024, this year, we are seeing 3 times the number of cases of pertussis that we saw in August of 2023.
CDC data shows the number of cases year to date from 2023 and the increase they're seeing this year in both New Jersey and Pennsylvania. Dr. Alfred Sacchetti of Virtua Health says pertussis is very contagious and can be particularly dangerous for babies and young children.
The kids get into a fit of coughing and they just can't catch their breath. When they finally get past this fit of coughing, their next breath in is this large, and that's where they get the whoop from.
Now, doctors are encouraging both kids and adults to get vaccinated. Adults are recommended to have a booster every 10 years. This is one of the pharmacies that offers them. Also, as the school year starts up, Dr. Sacchetti recommends basic hygiene that can go a long way, including hand washing and not coughing on other people. We're live in Mount Laurel, New Jersey. Trish Hartman, Channel 6, Action News. Shari.
All right. Trish, thanks.